Welcome to the world of cutting-edge engineering. The Audi Q3 is not only a popular SUV, but also the result of AI technology and perfect innovation. Today, we will take you to the Audi Hungaria factory to see the production process from the first sheet of metal to the intelligent car. What is so special about it? Let's take a look. One, body assembly and the use of AI. The process first starts in the press shop. High-strength steel sheets are pressed into the shape of the doors, roof, and side panels by machines with thousands of tons of force. They are then sent to the body shop, where more than 500 robots weld them using laser brazing technology. What's great about the new 2026 model is that Audi is using AI to check all the spot welds to ensure there are no defects, not even 1 millimeter. 2. Paint and protection. Before the body gets its shiny, glossy finish, it goes through a cleaning and anti-corrosion treatment called cathodic dip coating. Next, a new generation of robots sprays 4 layers of paint. For the new Audi Q3, they have reduced water and energy consumption in the paint department by up to 30%, making it one of the most environmentally friendly factories in the world. 3. The heart of the car. Now we come to the most important part, the heart of the Audi Q3. Here is installed a new generation of hybrid engine which can run on pure electricity for up to 119 kilometers. Quattro technology, which is Audi's pride, is also included here. Every component is checked very carefully by robots and experts. 4. Interior and technology installation. This is the stage where the Audi Q3 begins to have a soul. The luxurious interior is installed by expert hands along with the digital cockpit system. Every wire and dozens of sensors are connected to the central brain of the car. You will see the meticulous stitching of the leather seats and the installation of the premium sound system, which makes the interior of the Q3 different from the competition. 5. Quality control. Before leaving the factory, each car undergoes a final test. In the light tunnel, experts check the perfection of the paintwork. It is then subjected to a test on rails and high-pressure water jets to ensure there are no leaks or noise. 6. From sheet metal to a masterpiece of engineering, the Audi Q3 is not just a car for commuting, but a testament to the advancement of modern manufacturing technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about the latest automotive technology. See you in the next video.